Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your orders in the Temu app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu, and here at the top we find your orders. If you tap on this, here we will find the list of all the orders that we have placed or that's in processing. As you can see here at the top, there are some categories: processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. And we can see the orders that we have by category, or just see all the orders that we have, irregardless of whether it's in processing or whether it was returned. That's it. And then here we have some recommendations where we can purchase some items from this app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.